Hello everyone, I am Reja and welcome to brand new tutorial on PLSQL type attribute. And after executing this one, here we can see the employee table information and column here. So if I want to declare the uh, type attribute, so if I execute this one, and here you can see the IT prop. It will return an error while trying to assign value to a variable that exceeds the max size of job ID. Let's see an example. And if I execute this one, we can see the error, the arithmetic and arithmetic string conversion error. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.